stop losing visitors because your website looks broken on their phones. Today, we're diving deep into making your Webflow website mobile-friendly, so it looks and performs flawlessly on every single device first things first. Let's understand Webflow's incredible responsive design tools. See these icons at the top. They represent your different Breakpoints desktop, tablet, and mobile. Webflow builds your site from the largest screen size down, ensuring a solid foundation. When you're designing for desktop, always keep your mobile future in mind as you start shrinking the browser window or switching to smaller breakpoints. Notice how elements might stack or resize. This is Webflow automatically adjusting based on the content it finds. If something isn't looking right on mobile, don't panic. You simply select the element you want to adjust and make changes only at that specific breakpoint. For example, you can adjust font sizes, margins, or padding right here, and these changes will only affect that smaller screen. For more control, we'll leverage Webflow's powerful layout tools when you're on your mobile breakpoint. Selecting an element and using Flexbox or grid allows you to precisely control how content aligns and distributes. For instance, using Flexbox, you can easily change the direction of your rows to columns to create that perfect stacked layout on smaller screens. This is key to ensuring a clean, readable experience. Images and videos are also crucial on mobile. Large, unoptimized media can slow down your site and look awkwardly sized with your image selected. Go to the size panel here. You can set it to be 100% of its container width at the mobile breakpoint. This ensures your images scale down beautifully and don't overflow their sections. We can also adjust padding and margins to give elements breathing room, preventing them from feeling cramped. Finally, always preview your work. Use the device previews within Webflow or publish your site and test it on actual phones and tablets. This step is non-negotiable. It allows you to catch any last-minute glitches and confirm that your user experience is truly seamless. By mastering these Webflow responsive design tools, you're guaranteed to reach a wider audience with a website that looks and functions perfectly on every screen.